Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. Can you hear me?
Teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And can you see me clearly here?
Good.
All right. Can you see the
Okay.
screen also? Can you see the screen?
Yes. 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 Thấy màn
All
hình
right.
không?
Very good. Okay. My name is Teacher Jeff. And what is your name?
My name is Peter.
Peter. Hello, Peter. Nice to meet you. How are you?
How are you? I'm 7 years old. How are you? How are you?
How are you, Peter?
Yes.
You're good?
I'm
You're good?
good.
You're happy?
I'm good. I'm good. Yes.
Okay. And
Yes.
how old are you, Peter?
I'm 7 years old.
Wow, you're 7 years old. Okay. Are you ready today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now listen to me. Listen to teacher and eyes on me. Okay.
Yes.
All right, very good. Okay, because we will learn new things today. Okay, are you ready again? Are you ready, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this time, oh, you can see a scoop of ice cream. Can you see the
School.
scoop of ice cream here?
It's okay. Yes.
Okay. Oh, once you do a great job today, or you will do great job, you will receive a scoop of ice cream. Okay. Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream? Con thích gì? Con có thích kem không?
It's
Yes.
a sweet,
Yes,
yeah.
I like.
It's a cold sweet. So this is ice cream. We have different flavor of ice cream. Okay. Oh, now let's run to the next page here. Now, say little sister. Can
Little
you
sister, what
say
does that?
little sister?
Little sister.
Right, very good. Now, what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture?
Cái gì trong bức tranh này? I can see. I can see a boy sister.
Well, very good. What else can you see in the picture? You can see here a boy.
And
Right? So it's a
a
boy.
boy.
How about
A
this
girl.
one here? It's a boy and it's a girl. Okay. So this one is Timmy and this one is his his little
Girl.
sister. Okay. Can you say Timmy, Timmy and her
Two.
little sister?
A little sister.
All right. Very good, Peter. Okay. Before we begin, now it's singing time. Okay. Do you know this song, Peter?
Cynical.
It's an
Cynical.
old MacDonald song. Okay, if you know this song, you can sing with teacher, okay? We can sing together, okay?
Yes.
All right. Oh, but before that, I'm going to play a video here. So the song title Old MacDonald.
Đúng.
You can sing along with me.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there, here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
All right. Are you having fun, Peter? Okay. Now, let's learn some words and play. Okay? Let's learn some words and play. Okay, can you say play?
Play.
All right. Oh, what can you see in this picture? Can you read this word for me? Can you read this word?
It is a banana.
Very good. It's banana. Okay. Do you eat banana, Peter? Do you eat banana?
It's yellow. It's yellow.
Really? Oh, what's the color of banana?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. Banana is healthy fruit. Okay, it will make you strong and healthy if you eat banana. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Oh, what can you see in this picture?
Picture.
What can you see? Chúng ta để thấy cái gì? Phải thấy cái này. I can see.
I can see two skirt.
Very good. You can see a two girl here. All right. So Peter, these are sisters. Okay. Now can we say sister?
Sister.
Okay. Now one more time. Let's say the word sister.
Sister.
Okay. Now let's say it 3 times. Okay. Sister, sister, sister.
Sister. Sister. Sister.
All right, very good. Now, can you read this sentence? Lucy and Lily are sister. Now, can you read the sentence here? Peter?
Lucy and Lily.
Lucy and Lily are sister.
Very good. Okay, the word is, what the word? The word is sister.
Yes. Yeah, two sister.
Okay, very good. So Lucy and Lily are sisters. Okay. Now let's run to the next page here. Let's walk. Oh, what can you see in the picture?
I can see. This a small.
How about this? Oh, we can see a sister, a little sister, and what do you call this one? This one is?
Wow.
Is it a brother? Is it a brother? Yes or no?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Oh, this one, I circled this one. This one is a brother, and this one is his little sister. Okay, now let's say little sister.
Little sister.
All right, so let's say it 3 times, okay? Now we can do our hands like this. Let's do the clapping here. Now, little sister.
Little sister.
Okay, very good. Now we'll do it one more time. Little sister.
Little sister.
Okay, one more time. Little sister.
Little sister.
Okay, very good. Now you will get a scoop of ice cream, Peter. Nice one. Now let's read the sentence here. Okay, now let's read the sentence here. Can you please read, Peter? My little sister. Now let's say, my
My
little sister
little sister.
is very funny.
Vinny.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's read. My
My
little sister
little sister.
is very funny.
Very funny.
Very funny.
Very
Wow,
funny.
very good, Peter. My little sister is very funny. Okay, can you say funny?
Funny.
All right, very good. Oh, we have now. Let's run to the next page here. Oh, what can you see in this picture? What can you see in the picture?
Little. I can see.
Cái gì?
Yes.
Mother.
Oh, what is this, Peter? Who are
Mother.
these? Yes.
Father,
Father. Mother.
brother,
Brother.
and
Daddy.
All right, very good. Perfect. We can see the mother, father,
Father.
brother, and little sister. So we can call this
Sister.
family. Okay, we can call this family. There is mother. Okay, I circle this one for you. Father,
Father.
brother, and
Brother.
sister.
Little
All
sister.
right, very good, Peter. Now let's say the word here is family. Okay, can you say family?
Family.
All right, let's do our hands. Let's do the clapping here. Let's say family.
Family.
Okay, one more time. Let's do it 3 times. Family.
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 All right, very good. Now let's use the word family in a sentence. Okay, there are 4 people in the family. Okay, now let's read this. There are
There are
4 people
4 people
in my
in my
family.
family.
All right, so there are 4 people in the family. Can we count how many people in the family? Okay, now this is, oh, can you count? Can you count 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, there is mother, father, brother, and sister. So this is 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, there are 4. Yes, very good. Thank you so much, Peter. There are 4 people in the family. All right, you can count. Nice one, Peter. All right, now let's go here to the
1,
next
2,
page.
3, 4.
four
Mhm.
people.
4 people.
4 people. Very good. Oh, look, look, oh, look. Let's find and say. Let's find. Okay. Who is Timmy's little sister? Can you circle Timmy's little sister? Okay, you can do it, Peter. Now let's find. Let's look. Where is little sister here? Okay. Where is little sister?
Nào, little sister là em gái các bạn, em gái nhỏ đâu.
Oh, I think it's not the little sister. All right, very good. This one is the little sister. And the name of Timmy's little sister is Emma. Okay. The name of Timmy's little sister is Emma. All right. I'm going to type here. The name of the Timmy's little sister, it's Emma. Okay. What's the name of Timmy's little sister, Peter? It's What's the name of the little sister? The name of the little sister is Emma. Okay? Can you say Emma?
Emma.
All right, very good. It's Emma, the name of Timmy's little sister. Okay, do you have little sister, Peter?
No.
Hmm? No. Okay.
Older sister.
Older sister. You have older sister? Okay.
I have
I have older sister. I have
older
older
sister.
Oh. All right. Very good, Peter. Nice one. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Now let's run to the next page here. Now let's find. Ooh, look here. Who's missing? Who is missing? Hmm. Can you say or
Right.
point who is missing?
sister.
Okay. The little
Sister.
sister. Okay. Who is the
Sister.
little sister? What's the name of the little sister?
Em gái nhỏ là gì nhỉ?
Little sister.
Em
Okay,
nhỏ.
little sister. Emma. Very good, Peter. It's Emma. Okay. The missing here is Timmy's little sister. All right. Okay, I will give you another scoop of ice cream for that, Peter. Okay. Oh, look. Let's look here. Let's look here. You can see an unclear picture. Oh, what do you think this picture is? You can see an unclear picture. I can see it clearly. But I think Peter will identify and can identify what picture is this. What do you think this picture is? Is this a family picture? Is it a yes or no? Is it a yes or no?
Yeah or no?
Oh, we can say it's Timmy's family. Okay, it's Timmy's family. Okay, we cannot see this one because it's unclear, but we can say it's a family of Timmy. Okay, how many people are there in the family? How many people there are?
5. 4.
There are one, two. Oh, there are five. Very good. There are
5.
five. Okay. Now let's count how many people in the family. 1, 2.
2.
How about this?
3.
All right. 4
4.
and
And
5. Okay.
5.
There are five in the family. Okay. Very good, Peter. Now let's run to the next page here. Now let's read and talk. Okay. Now let's read and talk.
Come.
All right. Peter, let's do a conversation here, okay? I will be Jack and you will be Timmy, okay? I will be Jack and you will be Timmy. Are you ready, Peter? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I will say, Timmy, how many people are there in your family? Timmy, How many people are there in your family? Okay, and you will say, Jack, Peter, you will say,
Yes.
there are, say, there are. Okay, so let's read this. Let's read Peter. There are 5 people. Again, let's say there are 5. Peter,
Five.
okay, there are 5 people
There
in
are
my
five
family.
family.
Look, now look, that's my little sister,
Little sister.
Emma.
Emma.
All right, very good. Now let's run to the next page here. Okay, and I will say, since I am the Jack, I am Jack. Oh, she is lovely. It seems like she is always playing with dolls. Now Peter will say, yes, Emma. Peter, are you there? Are you still there, Peter? Okay, now let's say, yes,
That's
Emma likes to play with dolls.
my
Okay, now let's say Emma
Emma.
likes
Loves
to play
play
with dolls.
with dog.
All right, very good, Peter. Nice one. Okay, now let's go here to the next page. Now I will say, how many people are there in your family? And then Peter will
We have
say,
How many people in the family? Mamay na. Silence. There are
7
now
people.
there are 4 people. Now let's say there are
There are
four
seven
people
people. 4 people.
in my family.
7 people are my family.
Okay, very good, Peter. There are 4 people in my family based on the conversation here. Okay, based on the conversation here of Jack and Timmy. Okay, very good. Oh, we have still conversation here, Peter. Do you have any sisters? Okay, and Peter will reply, yes, I do. Now, Peter, let's say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Lily is my
Lily is my
little sister.
little sister.
She loves dolls too. Now say, she loves dolls too. Can you say? Now let's say, she loves dolls too.
You know, and so
Okay, very good. Oh, now let's look here. Let's run to the next page. Let's play some games. Okay. Now let's listen and say. Okay. We have here Timmy's and his classmates, 2 girls classmates. And let's find out who have any sisters here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Do they have any sisters? How about Timmy? Do they have Timmy and Cindy have sisters? Okay. Can you
sister.
circle? Can you circle who has a sister?
My sister.
Hmm. Now let's find out. Let's look here. who has sister?
Five.
Okay, so Timmy has sister. Timmy
Sister.
has sister. Okay, very good, Peter. How about Cindy? Does she have sister also? Yes, Cindy has sister. Okay.
Sister.
Hmm. How about this girl here? Okay, there she has no sister. Okay, she has no sister. Only Timmy and Cindy has sisters. Okay, all right. Do you understand, Peter? Okay, now let's listen and check. Okay, let's listen and tick here. Oh,
Thank you.
what can you see in this picture? There are monkeys. Okay. Do you see monkeys? Do you see monkeys?
Okay.
Like this. Woo, woo, woo. Monkeys. Okay. Like this one. Okay. There are the question. Okay, listen. There are 7 monkeys in my family. Is it true or false? Peter, there are 7 monkeys in my family. Is it true or false, Peter?
Four.
False. Very good. Oh, can you count? Why is it false? Now let's count the monkeys. How many monkeys are there?
Two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8.
All right. Very good, Peter. There are 8 monkeys. Okay.
Seven.
The answer is
Seven.
false. All right. The answer is
Huh?
false because there are 8 total monkeys in family. All right. Now let's proceed to the next page here. Now let's walk here to the next page. Oh, let's trace and say. Okay. Can you trace and count how many are there in the family? Oh, trace. Let's go first. Timmy. Timmy's family. What do you think is the right path for Timmy? Okay, very good. Oh, Timmy, how many are there in the family? There are. Can you count? How many family? How many people in the family? Can you count? Timmy's family here. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3,
Three,
4,
five.
5. Okay, there are 5 people in the family for Timmy's family. Okay, very good, Peter. Thank you so much. How about Jack's family? Oh, this one here. Can you trace? Let's trace. Let's trace, trace, trace. Okay, very good, Peter. And how many people are there for Jack's family? There are, let's count. Oh, Peter, can you count? Let's count. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4.
four,
Okay, there
four.
are 4 people in the family of Jacks. Of Jack. Okay. Oh, how about Sam? How about Sam? Can you count how many people in the family? This one is Sam's family. Ooh. All right, let's count here. There are 3 people in the family. Now let's count. 1, Peter.
One,
2,
two,
3.
three.
All right, very good, Peter. Okay. Oh, I can do it. I can do it. So let's read the words here. Okay. Now let's read sister. Say sister.
Sister.
Very good. How about this one here? Little sister.
Little sister.
Very good. How about this word here? Let's say family.
Family.
All right. Very good, Peter. Oh, I can do it also. There are 5 people in my family. Okay, now let's read. Do you have any sisters? Let's say, Peter, do you have any sisters?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
All right, very good, Peter. Oh, I think we're already done here. Are you having fun, Peter? Are you having fun? Okay. Hmm. But before we end our lesson, let's sing this one more time. Okay, let's sing this All MacDonald one more time. Now let's sing in 3, 2, 1. Sing. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, can you sing it one more time? Can you sing it one more time, Peter? Okay, let's sing it one more time. Let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right. Give me 5, Peter. Give me 5. Give me 5. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, for your final reward, you have scoop of ice cream. Okay, very good. Mm-hmm. All right, Peter. Oh, I have to say goodbye for now. Once again, I am Teacher Jeff. Okay, and nice to meet you, Peter. Nice to meet you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, so I will see you soon. Okay, I will see you on my next class and bye bye for now.
Bye.
Peter, bye bye. Okay, you take care. You take care.
Bye. Ủa, bữa thì tắt rồi. Tắt rồi. Ấy.